All right, so this is the CASABREWS 20 bar espresso machine that you can get off Amazon. Uh, Reviews were overwhelmingly positive. I decided to pull the trigger. I'm going to keep this very short. So, first things first, I am not impressed. If this was a $45 machine, it'd be pretty neat. It is $140 to $160 depending on which color you choose. And by the way, this color is the cheapest, and I can see why, because it's a fingerprint magnet. Um, Biggest complaint, it is not hot enough. And the manufacturer's solution is to include a sticker that tells you to run multiple cycles without coffee to preheat it. As if somebody has time to turn the machine on, let it warm up, run a cycle multiple times to get the coffee hot enough. And by the way, that doesn't work. It might get it a little bit hotter, but it does not get it to where it should be. Second, so 1 cup, 2 cup, when you're choosing that, it's referring to these little espresso cups. This is what I'm used to drinking, so I basically have to make like freaking 5 cups of this thing. And you would think it'd come out insanely strong, but it really doesn't. Frother is not overly impressive. It only seems to work on high setting. And when you do turn into high settings, the milk sprays everywhere. I give this about a 2 out of 5. Again, you know, if this was a $45, $50 machine, I would maybe give this a 4. But for what you're paying for this piece of junk, it's not worth it. I'm 100% returning it.
Okay, as a part of the review, I'm gonna make a ristretto. As you can see, I'm Italian, I have an accent. So I think his machine is great for the price so far. I hope it lasts. So this is the pre. So goes the pressure. The liquid that comes down is pretty dark, and that's what you want. Even if the coffee is 7 out of 10. Look at the cream. Look at the cream. This is what you want a ristretto to be at Italian bar. Look at the cream, not the things of Starbucks, but this is exactly what an Italian wants. So I'm pretty happy, and bye bye.
Ok, vamos a preparar un ristretto con la máquina nueva que compré, con un muy buen café Oma de Colombia, para que vean la crema del ristretto. Como pueden ver, la crema que se forma es espectacular. No hay nada que enviar a una máquina de una cafetera como Starbucks o demás.
Oop.